This sequence of movements is designed to tone your legs and strengthen your abdomen, helping combat flabbiness and improve your posture. The best part, no equipment or special space is needed, just your determination. Stay with me until the end and discover how these simple exercises can transform your body and boost your confidence. Let's get started. A nighttime workout routine goes beyond toning your body. It also offers incredible benefits for your mind and well-being. Performing these movements before bed helps relieve the stress accumulated throughout the day, improves blood circulation, and prepares your body for a deeper, more restorative sleep. For busy women, this practice is a game changer. In just 3 minutes, you can dedicate time to yourself, caring for your body, and promoting a transformation that directly impacts your self-esteem and quality of life. Additionally, this specific routine targets important areas, like your legs and abdomen, which can be challenging to tone with traditional exercises. By incorporating these movements into your nightly routine, you also help prevent muscle soreness and improve posture, essential for those who spend the day sitting or standing. So why not start today? Now that you know the benefits, it's time to put the plan into action. Get ready for the first exercise, which will kickstart your transformation. The first exercise in our routine is the alternating leg lift, a simple yet powerful move to tone your thighs and activate your abdominal muscles. It's perfect for starting leg work, building strength, and achieving definition. How to do it? Lie on your back on a comfortable surface, like your bed. Lift your legs to form a 90-degree angle with your body. Keep your legs straight, pointing your feet toward the ceiling. Alternate bending one knee while keeping the other extended. Engage your core during the movement to stabilize your body. Repeat the movement 10 times on each leg, maintaining a steady and controlled pace. This exercise not only strengthens your thigh muscles, but also activates your core. It's perfect for those seeking firmer legs and a more stable abdomen. Its simplicity makes it ideal for all fitness levels. Practical tips. Focus on your breathing. Inhale as you bend your knee and exhale as you return to the starting position. Avoid jerky movements. Keep a smooth rhythm to ensure effectiveness. If you feel a burn in your thigh and core muscles, you're on the right track. Get ready to feel your muscles truly working. With consistency, you'll see the changes you desire. Let's move on to the next exercise, where the focus will be on strengthening your abdomen. Exercise 2, firmer abdomen. Now that we've activated the legs, it's time to focus on the abdomen with the hip lift exercise. This simple but incredibly effective move strengthens your abdominal region while also working your glutes and improving spinal alignment. How to do it? Lie on your back with your knees bent and feet flat on the floor. Place your arms by your sides with palms facing down. Lift your hips toward the ceiling, creating a straight line from your shoulders to your knees. Keep your core engaged throughout the movement and hold the position at the top for 1 second. Slowly lower your hips back to the starting position without letting them touch the floor completely. Repeat the movement 10 times, maintaining control and stability. Benefits. The hip lift is excellent for toning the lower abdomen and glutes while improving posture. It's an ideal exercise for those who spend long hours sitting and want to relieve back tension while strengthening their core. Practical tips. Focus on contracting your core during the lift to ensure you're activating the right muscles. Move slowly to maximize effort and avoid straining your lower back. Remember, quality of movement matters more than the number of repetitions. With this exercise, you're one step closer to a firmer and more defined abdomen. Now that we've completed this step, let's finish our routine with a relaxing stretch. Relaxing stretch. To end the routine, we'll do the butterfly stretch, a relaxing move that helps relieve muscle tension and improve flexibility, especially in the inner thighs. This is your moment to care for your body after the effort and prepare for a restful sleep. How to do it? Sit on a comfortable surface, like your bed or a mat. Bring the soles of your feet together, letting your knees fall outward to form a V with your legs. Hold your ankles with your hands and gently press your knees downward, feeling the stretch in your inner thighs. Keep your back straight during the movement and hold the position for 15 seconds. Benefits. This stretch helps relax your leg muscles, improve circulation, and increase flexibility. Additionally, it reduces tension accumulated throughout the day, promoting a sense of well-being and muscle relief. Practical tips. Don't force your knees beyond their limit. The stretch should feel comfortable. Breathe deeply while holding the position to help relax. Focus on the moment, using it to calm both your body and mind. Now that we've finished the stretch, you're ready to rest and enjoy the benefits of this quick and effective routine. Congratulations on completing your 3-minute routine. Every step you take toward caring for your body is an achievement worth celebrating. Consistency is the key to achieving more defined legs and a firmer abdomen, and you've already taken the first step. By repeating this sequence daily, you'll notice not only physical changes, but also a renewed sense of confidence and well-being. Remember, taking care of yourself isn't a luxury, it's a priority. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel, and share it with a friend. Together, we can achieve our goals and transform our routines. See you in the next video.